is where you're watching. Me and my beautiful daughters are out for a cruise in our 91 Vert. Well, Grandma's Vert, but we're still kind of working the bugs out of this car. So we're actually going down to meet a bunch of other Foxbody fans. We're going for a little cruise down the valley today and maybe have some lunch. Weather is so-so, I would say, but we're going to try to make the best of it because it's coming to the end of our season up here in the Great White North. You guys want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Kaylee. I'm Sadie.
You got to poke your head over here, sweet, so they can't see you. That's our little Sadie bug in the back corner there. She's a little bit out of frame, but anyway, they're going to be tagging along for the cruise today because my girls like coming out. Well, what car are we in? Ruby, right. So this is
Ruby the Red Dragon.
Ruby the Red Dragon. Anyway, guys, lots of footage coming at you here today in today's video. We will hopefully see all kinds of very nice Foxbodies doing all kinds of Foxbody things. And I'll give you some walk-arounds. There's some really nice cars in the valley here, so stay tuned, and we'll be back with you here in a minute.
Stop!
Alright guys, 93 Black GT. This is my buddy Jess.
Yeah man, I was just saying, I need to come out here and take a video of these.
They're awesome, eh?
That's so dope. You're awesome.
Okay, so car number one.
All of these are Mustangs over there, the red one down there. Oh yeah, and then in front of the red one too. Tons. It's dope.
It is.
Wow. 5 liter fucking
Yeah.
gangs.
5-0 gang.
I never thought I'd love Ford as much as right now.
Right. Super clean vert. I think this guy's an 88 or 89. Maybe don't quote me on that. My buddy Steve.
I need to.
You gonna document?
Yeah, I need to document. I'm very glad that there's not like a 2002 Mustang.
Right.
It would ruin it.
Yeah.
All the loud ones that do nothing. Ugh, gross.
Right. Okay, then we got a 50LX vert. Pardon me.
So funny because I got 2 friends that I know is gonna love this.
Yeah, right on.
100%.
Got some fans here who want to take some videos of the cars too.
I have a crooked window there.
All right, and then you guys are familiar with this one. Brought out the 91 vert today. Okay, Mikey's, I don't know if Mike's been on the channel or not here, but his LX hatch, very, very clean. I love the stance on this guy. The motor's actually coming out of this car this winter. Buddy's loving it. Okay, Surge's SN95 Cobra 97. Absolutely stunning. Now this one's been on the channel before. You guys have seen my barn find video. If you haven't, I'll link it. Get to hear us talk about this clean. Now it's a 91 hatch, I believe. And now, maybe the bell of the ball. 88 GT. Maxim Motorsports guts underneath. Stalker front.
Oh man, this is my favorite right here.
Beautiful, hey?
Gorgeous. Oh man.
Alright, sorry guys, just got chatting with that fella that was liking the cars. Anyway, so yeah, this is Chad's car. Very neat story. I'd actually like to do a little bit of a kind of a little special with his car, because he's got a couple of these at home. One that's a roller, another one that he's building, and he's actually got a 2015 GT on air. It's just an absolutely stunning car. I'll try to see if I can put a picture in the video here for you. That in itself would be worth showcasing on the channel here too. But yeah, so this car, a little bit of motor work done. Where it's most impressive is suspension wise. All Maxim Motorsports, front to rear, full kit. Love that gray too. Beautiful color in these wheels.